characters from Toy Story 4. We're going to draw Bunny and Ducky. Bunny and Ducky, alright? Let's start with Bunny, okay? So let's start with his big eyes, okay?
Humongous eyes.
Just big eyes, not humongous. Big eyes, okay? Big eyes. And his mouth is half the size of his eyes. Circle also, okay? Circle. Okay, and we're gonna have a little nose on top. A line here, underneath it, and teeth. Okay? His eyes are big. We're gonna draw a big circle. Big circle first, okay? Alright, we'll color that in later, okay? And he has eyeliner, so there's a thick black line on the side of his eye here, okay? And then same thing with this side, just a quarter of the size, okay? Follow the shape of the eye. His head is an oval shape, so we're gonna start from top here. It's very big, okay? Round.
It looks humongous.
No, just big and round. He has a big round face. It's an oval, okay? For his ear, we're gonna draw from the middle here to the left. From the middle to the right. Draw that first. Then we're going to curve back to connect to the point where we started. Okay? Alright, inside we're going to draw the ear. Now we're going to draw his body. Around the body. Arms. Okay, and legs, rounded legs. Okay. All right. So that's Bunny. We'll call him later. Okay. Now we're gonna draw Ducky. Okay. Let's draw Ducky.
How do you like drawing him?
Okay. So Ducky. We're gonna start with the eyes. In the middle, two small circles. Okay. They're far apart. Okay. Mouth. Okay, his eyes are black. I'll do a black circle. Black circle. Okay, and now we're going to draw his head, okay? Alright, so now we're going to do the head. It's a oval shape, like this. Okay, very good. And draw the other side. Okay. Now the bottom is a gentle curve, okay, just a little bit of curve. Not straight, okay, it's curvy, a little bit. Curve up, you're too late, okay? Alright, then we're gonna draw his hair. He's got some hair on top here. 1, 2, 3, 4 spikes, okay? Okay, and he's got triangle, he's got 3 triangle for eyelashes, okay? 1, 2, 3, and they're black, okay? Black eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. Three triangles for eyelashes. Okay, very good. Okay, now we're gonna draw his body. It's the same as Bunny. Okay, so we're gonna do this like a U shape. Okay, pay attention to the wings here. Okay, wings has 2. He has thumb, so 1 small part and 1 big part. Okay, that's his wing. Same thing on the other side, we're going to do small and then big. Okay, it's like a butterfly wing almost. This is going to be new to you, okay, the way we draw his feet. Watch this. We're going to do a small curved line. Another small curved line next to it. Okay, the same curve. Okay, we're going to do 1 toe here, okay? Just 1 toe. 1 toe here. It's the same. Okay? Watch carefully, okay? 1 toe here.
Wait for me. 1 toe here.
And then from here, we're going to do the back of the foot. Come back. And then 1 more toe. 1 more toe. There we go. Good job. Very good. So same thing here. We're gonna watch first. Watch first. Try to just watch first. Okay. 1 toe here.
Okay, I know. 1 toe. Start from here.
Start from the back, go forward, and then curve back.
Well, Naruto.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we're gonna color Bunny and Ducky.